Okay.
No one but people who I know or follow my Instagram have seen this, but my Instagram isn't for the 03 hours, just personal.
That smells hella good, man. No.
Fucking tastes good.
David's here. Looks away.
I let one go.
Shit.
Ow.
Literally, you don't get that? I just ripped ass.
Yeah.
For the car, mate.
I told you, I wasn't lying. I know what car it is. You saw him do that, right?
Yeah. What the heck?
I'm just gonna hide behind one of your cars while he drives away. Go to the back.
If he hits one car, make it be Zach's, please.
Oh my god, the thing about the cold weather that pisses me off, I work at a Toyota dealership. It's like everybody's coming in, oh, my tire light's on.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, constantly just need to put air in it.
Did I tell you what happened the other day?
You did not tell me that.
There was snow on my windshield, so I cleared it off, but there was still a little bit on the windshield wiper.
The
So
other day, you mean this morning?
No, this was a couple days, or this was yesterday. So I pulled the windshield wiper thing back, and they were like struggling to get up, and then they stopped. Smoke started coming out of my steering column. Like smoke. I was just like, I thought it was my breath for a second, so I held my breath, and it was just coming out. I'm like, I'm just gonna turn that off. I'd rather not have a car fire right now.
Why did you figure out?
Only the manual one, though. Like if I clicked it down, it was fine.
Don't want to flip him off and have it not be him.
Shit. How do you always have munchies?
I did. That's because I'm always stoned. And remember it.
God damn it.
We'll start recording.
I am.
Catch.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch.
Yeah. Riveting content.
Oh no, I could out bump him.
I can't.
You got subs in there?
Check with
Wait till you hear my speakers, man. They're like...
tens. Yeah, tens.
Okay.
But they're competition, so
Oh shit.
that's awesome. It's like the magnet on the back is like this big, and it's like that big. They're insane. So if anybody wants to hear it,
Oh boy. Brace for impact.
We're back. We're back. Round 2. That's like $8, bro.
Screw it. We can use this one. It's not gonna kill us. Good old fashioned. This one's a lot more powerful. We'll give it that because it's not battery.
Do we have like a block of like wood that we can just drill into? Yes. Or just in case? Yeah. We're gonna put on some mud flaps. Yeah, that should be fine.
This will give us plenty of
Do you need, where are the drill bits? That should work, yeah. Because you want it to like, it's a bit smaller, but it's perfect so that it'll, because you want the bolt to sort of thread into the mud flap.
Where's the...
I'm gonna go set up, putting on my rally armor today, because now that it's got paint, I want to protect it from the elements. Like, look at that, that's a rock in there. That probably didn't come from the wheel well, but nonetheless. So we've got a little bolt here, hole here, bolt hole here, and bolt hole here. So I actually, oh, do you have a Sharpie, David? Yeah. I'm gonna need one to mark onto the mud flap. These wheels look like crap. Okay, I want the logo backwards, so this mud flap is the one I need. Where'd it go?
Just probably hold it.
Yeah. Well,
Just step on it and drill.
no, I'm putting it in one right now. See how this works? See, I sort of want it to screw in,
Good, so it's tight. That's good.
so it'll actually hold the flap well. It's like threading into the flap.
Yeah.
So this first hole
So
is
let's
only
just
to
make
set
sure-
height right now.
And then mark the next hole. Let's see where...
So it'll be like that.
Do you want the rally arm to stick out like
Looks
that?
pretty good. Yeah, I want it to stick out a bit
Okay.
to protect right there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, let's mark the next.
What if my car's mud flaps? Nope. Taking a good old fashioned, no mud flaps.
Put on mud flaps. Okay, we're more.
Nah, I don't need to. No, it's not even, my car. Nah.
Shit. This would probably be easier
With the wheel off.
if I
I wonder if you have to make sure you really bolt it in there because you don't want it to hook on the wheel.
Oh yeah, it'll be like that. It's not, the wheel's not gonna hit it because right now it's the closest it gets.
Okay.
That's gonna be like that. That's gonna be like
Easy. Yeah, it's gonna go in the hole. Did you put the bolt on?
Yeah. I'll get a wrench on the other side before me. Don't worry, I'm not gonna keep my finger on it.
Hold it.
Yeah. It's still a little...
Well, we got the front one on. Both the front ones are on. Yeah, so we have that one right there. And then the other one over there.
Some people do the black and red
See that?
logo. I want it black and black.
Yeah. So now we're doing this one.
Please scoot down. There.
Oh well.
It's alright, I don't care. Okay, I should try and put the nut in the bottom one first. I've learned that now. Did I lock it? I don't think I locked it. I locked it. I know you guys are gonna think me and David are fat asses, but we're at McDonald's again.